following segment is sponsored by Petland.
Back on Fox 20 Morning Live is 7:14. Ron from Petland is here, and he brought some Chihuahuas.
Little Chihuahuas. In the studio here, we've been talking about it. Believe it or not, these two are from the same litter. These are two little Chihuahuas. We got a little lady over here, a little gentleman over here. They heard about that cold weather coming, and they're all shaky. But that's also typical for a Chihuahua. They like to shake.
How old are they?
These actually are like 12 weeks old. Oh, wow. So normally when I'm on here, they're around 8 weeks. And because of the size, the breeder wanted to hold on to them. Another little thing Marietta said on these was that they are pee pad trained already.
Oh, wow.
She goes, they just took to it, so I just kept it going. So
12 weeks and all grown up.
So with the cold temperatures, they're going to stay inside.
There you go. So we're talking about teeth health for dogs, because a lot of the things that could affect our dental health, same thing goes for them.
Yeah, it's an easy one to relate with, you know, how we're brushing our teeth and all that kind of stuff. Dogs need that kind of attention as well. Now, I will say not as much, because they don't get sugar like we do.
That's a really
so
good
when
point,
sugar came into our culture, that's when all the problems with our teeth started happening. So the number one thing that the little doggies need to avoid periodontal disease, which can cause life-threatening stuff. Not only is it stinky and why is the breath so bad and all that kind of stuff, it can get very serious. So they always say the first line of defense is actually seeing your veterinarian on a regular basis. So we always look at, take our dogs and cats to our veterinarian. They check out the teeth. Every once in a while they pull one and we go, what happened there? That one was decayed. Oh, wow. And so, you know, they get that taken care of. Second line of defense is kibble. Just eating a hard kibble. I was just talking with a contractor. We're in the middle of a renovation in the store, and he said that he feeds his dog soft food all the time. And I go, you know, it would be good for you to get hard kibble in there, because that hard kibble keeps those teeth strong and it keeps the gums strong and everything. And it's also a little bit of abrasive around the teeth. So hard kibble is your second line. Then brushing those teeth, and the veterinarians do recommend daily brushing, and I will say I don't know many people that will actually do that. But I have some examples here of these taller ones in the back where you can have these as your toothbrush. What I recommend for the toothbrush is having a double-sided toothbrush. So when you go down the teeth, it's getting both sides at one time. So I just go in there, turn it upside down, do it again, and I got 4, and I'm almost done with all the teeth within, I'm saying 10 seconds. Know that the toothpaste and stuff that they're using tastes like a treat. So they'll actually go for it. They're going to go, oh, I want more of that.
It's easier than getting kids to brush.
Yes. Oh, I remember those days.
Oh, geez.
So brushing their teeth. Now, there's some other things on the table that I want to point out. One is there's in this one, there's a little tube and it's got a gel in it. That actually is better than toothpaste. I'm actually not sure why we don't have this for our own toothpaste. In this one, we've got just the normal toothpaste in here. Tastes like a treat. They'll do, you know, just very similar to what we have. In this one is a gel that actually is a restorative product, where if you have plaque, it will take the plaque off over 30 days. Just got to do it every day, you know, kind of a thing. So we have one dog that gets really plaqued up. About every 3 months, we got to do that treatment. You can either just squirt the gel into their mouth, or squirt it and then use the toothbrush as well. In between, for our trouble child, that's little Susie. She's known for having issues. We also have water additives. Here, this and this are identical, and I love that because this little bottle doesn't take up so much space on your shelf. It's just a squirt, where this one is a glug in there. This one's funny. Same kind of treatment, put it right in their mouth. It's a foam. It's kind of fun to do. You put it in their mouth and they don't know what to do. And then chews are the fourth way to do it. Greenies were the first ones to come out many, many years ago. The most science-based treat I've ever read about. There's a DVD to tell you all of what's in here. It's really, they've done a nice job. And then other manufacturers have come out with other chews. Obviously, rawhides and all those are good chews. Rawhides are not good for every dog, though. So a lot of fun stuff.
Lots of stuff at Petland Iowa City. They got